Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to study framing questions. We have learned frame questions using interrogative words. Another way of framing question is by using the helping verb do and be. For example, do you like reading? In present tense, we use do and does as a helping verb. We use do for I, you and a plural subject. We use does for a singular subject. We never use the s or es form of V1 with do and does. In past tense, we use did as a helping verb with V1. We never use V2 form of verb after did. We use the verb did with singular and plural subjects to form past tense. We use the verb is with the singular subject, are with the plural subject and the pronoun you. For the singular pronoun I, we add the verb am. The form of the main verb remains the same. For questions, we always use the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Question beginning with a helping verb have their answer with yes or no. A question and its answer must be in the same tense. Let's proceed. Does Rupal walk to school? Do you walk to school? Did Julie invite Vinny to the party? In the first sentence, does Rupal walk to school? Rupal, singular subject, walk, main verb in the base form. Second sentence, do you walk to school? You, pronoun, walk, main verb in the base form. In the third sentence, did Julie invite Vinny to the party? Julie, singular subject, invite, main verb in the base form. Please note that when a question is framed with the helping verb to do, the main verb is always in the base form. Is Julie a good dancer? Are Nikki and Ricky coming to the party? Am I coming to the market too? Is present tense with a singular subject. Are present tense with a plural subject with the pronoun you. Am present tense with a singular pronoun. Now we will solve the exercise. Unscramble the word. Frame the questions correctly. Number 1. Like you do reading. Do you like reading? Number 2. She does reading. Answer. Does she like reading? Number 3. Write you did story your. Is did you write your story? We know that we use the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence, so we use do, does and did in the beginning of the sentence according to the sentence. We use the helping verb do with I, you and plural subject. In the second sentence, the subject she is in singular form, so we use does in the beginning of the sentence. We use did in the third sentence. We use did with singular and plural subjects to form past tense. Let's go ahead. Is Julie a good dancer? Are Nikki and Ricky coming to the party? Am I coming to the market too? We use the verb is with a singular subject, are with the plural subject and the pronoun you. For the singular pronoun I, we add the verb am. The form of the main verb remains the same. Using the verb is, are or am, we will frame questions. Ninal is a corporate lawyer. Answer. Is Ninal a corporate lawyer? Her sisters are working as managers. Answer. Are her sisters working as a manager? I am going to the market. Am I going to the market? Now next exercise. Frame the questions. Number 1. Meeta and Varun go for a walk. Answer. Do Meeta and Varun go for a walk? Number 2. Rupal walks to school by herself. Answer. Does Rupal walk to school by herself? Julie jumped over the wall. Answer. Did Julie jump over the wall? He enjoyed imitating people. Answer. Did he enjoy imitating people? Ankur and Manoj are going for a walk. Are Ankur and Manoj going for a walk? I hope you must have understood. Allah Hafiz.